Hello and welcome to our training academy here at Cloud FM. This is a short video tutorial on how to maintain the coffee machines we have at the academy here and at other sites in our business. I hope you enjoy it. Follow me. So here's our coffee machine, and there are a number of daily and weekly tasks to take you through. Our coffee machines are designed to be easy to use. They have a touchscreen panel which you push and choose the hot drink that you want. But on opening the machine, you can see that there's lots of moving parts and it looks very complicated. However, this maintenance checklist will take you through what's needed to do daily and weekly. So on a daily basis, once you've opened the machine, the best thing to do is turn the off switch. The lid at the top will raise, allowing you to refill the coffee bean should you need to. The ingredients canisters can be raised and taken off and away from the machine. Make sure that you press forward the orange rings to make sure that they are shutting off the canisters so that nothing loose comes out. Now below is a mixing bowl that can be removed by turning the black ring and removing that and the tube. Underneath it there is a seal that also needs to be removed. That can be cleaned but not in the dishwasher. The grout or waste bin needs to be removed, and anything in excess needs to be taken out. Inside, if you're cleaning the brewer, simply use the flap to the side of the machine on the left, pull it forward, brush it, insert an espresso machine cleaning tablet, and then replace. The outlet device comes out, turn it out, take the tube out, clean it, and remove and replace. The drip tray also can be removed. None of these parts are dishwasher proof on the left, on the right, however the others are. The whole machine should be cleaned thoroughly. Now if you're cleaning and flushing through the brewer, the best way to do that is to push the white button on the inside of the front cover, and up on the digital display will come all instructions that you need to follow to flush the brewer and clean it through. Now be aware that you will need some form of container that fits underneath both the liquid dispenser and the hot water tap to catch any excess fluids, but then follow the instructions as they are on the screen. Well done for completing the daily tasks. Now we're going to move on to the weekly ones.
And as you can see here, we've got the cross-site cookie tracking. We want to disable this.
So we're moving into weekly maintenance. What we do suggest is that you take off the fan cover that's on the right hand side of the machine, dust it down and brush it, and then replace it. Make sure that your canister rings are pushed forward so that you can remove canisters. This can be done on a daily basis to replenish ingredients, as to do with the coffee bean reservoir. But both can be removed. Underneath the coffee bean reservoir you have a small cap that can be removed and cleaned. This prevents any coffee beans being stuck. And if you are cleaning the canisters, the ingredient canisters, pour the material, any excess, into a dry bowl, and then using a brush make sure you clean them out. You can take the canisters off at the front by removing slightly to the left and then pulling off. And the same with the coffee bean canister as well. Empty in a reservoir into a dry bowl and then use a brush. Do not wash any of the canisters or the coffee bean reservoir. Now if you remove the grout bin and the canisters at the top, you have the access to the machine to be able to clean down. Isolate the machine and turn it off. Push the white button on the inside of the fascia. On the digital screen the instructions will appear and the brewer cleaning mechanism will start. Follow the instructions. Pulling out the grout bin, bringing the brewer forward, cleaning,
I'm in a quiet place.
and then replacing, placing in a tablet to clean the espresso machine, which is available localized to the machine. Follow the instructions again,
directly change
Always ensure that you have a canister underneath where the lubricant
and will take less than 1 minute
excess
using
comes
the
out, so
four
where the
steps you can
coffee and the tea might come out and the
So
hot
before we
water,
begin, we need to
that will
locate the
catch
settings.
any excess
Go
fluids
to your
as
home
it cleans
screen,
through the
hit
system.
settings button. We can see this.
And again, be careful to make sure that you follow the instructions on the screen.
Hello and welcome to this quick
There's your
walkthrough.
tablet.
This
Put it
video
back
will
in.
assist you in correctly changing your device browser settings, ready for
Follow the
completing your
process to
mandatory
clean the
training
brewer
on the
again.
LMS, and will take less than 1 minute.
Flush through the
using
system
four steps you can see here. So
and
before
clean
we begin,
everything
we need to
inside.
locate the settings.
And
As you
then
can see,
you have a
on
very,
the screen,
very clean
If
machine.
you press it, you can now see the settings view. We want you to scroll down to the Safari section, which you can see just here. Once you go into the Safari settings, this will control every aspect of.
And there we have it. That's the end of our tutorial on how to maintain the coffee machines. We hope that you enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing you again in some time in the future. Bye bye.